How to accelerate your goals and achieve them faster. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how you can accelerate your yearly goals. Setting goals is an essential part of accomplishing what we truly want and living a more fulfilling life. The most successful people in life, those who make the most significant impact, have a high-performance mindset that allows them to reach their goals faster. To help develop a high-performance mindset and achieve your goals sooner, here are 5 things that you need to do to get there. 1. Get clear on what you want. One of the biggest reasons people fail to achieve their goals is because they are never entirely sure of exactly what they want. You have to get crystal clear on precisely what it is you want in your life to rapidly manifest your desires. You need to ask yourself, once you manifest what you desire, what will it look like specifically? What will it feel like? How will it change how you live? How will it affect the decisions you make? You need to be as specific as possible. 2. Write what you want into existence. Write down exactly what you want to manifest in your life. It is essential to write down exactly what you desire as if it has already happened. This is because your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between your dreams and reality. The quicker you can convince your subconscious that what you desire has already happened, the sooner it will show up in your reality. 3. Stop worrying about the how. It is imperative to let go of how you are going to get what you desire. If you are unable to do this, you won't create the space in your life for what you want most to show up in your life. The key is to focus on the final result. 4. Create an emotional connection. High performers understand that the event with the most significant emotional charge will be the one that shows up in their life quicker. It is essential that you tap into emotional peak state whenever you think about what you desire most in life. 5. Obsess over it. This is a crucial step in your journey to achieving your goals sooner. After you've completed the 4 previous steps, you need to obsess about what you desire on a daily basis. Merely connecting emotionally to what you want at the beginning of the day isn't enough. You have to connect emotionally at least once every hour when you are awake. Set the alarm for every hour that you are awake to remind yourself to tap into the emotion of having already manifested what you want in your life. Having a high-performing mindset takes time and consistency. These 5 steps, when performed consistently, will help transform your mindset, helping you to accelerate your goals and achieve them faster.